Hey folks, got a 42-inch tractor here, lawnmower tractor, and I'm interested in putting a mulching kit in. Get rid of this side discharge thing. So this is what I bought, Troy Bilt. Okay, this is what I looked it up for Craftsman. I guess Craftsman, Troy Bilt, and I did MTD is also the same type of company. Oh, it says it right there. Dart machines, bolens, huskee. All right, so I bought this kit online, Amazon, and it's pretty simple to install. All right, it comes with new blades, mulching blades. Mulching blades look a little different than the regular blades, but those are easy to change. All right, that's a 24mm nut. Zap them out, change the blades. Discharge piece here, this is fairly simple too. All right, over here there's two nuts on top over here. You take the nuts off, and this whole chute just shoots right off. Okay. The next one, the cover comes already assembled. It has this little piece here, and it has a little wing nut and this little metal bar with a little washer. So once you take that cover off, there's a big hole there. So basically what you're going to do is just take this bar here, stick it into this little side hole, okay, put the cover down, stretch it over a little bit. There's a little stud that sticks out of here. The factory has it. So just leave the stud there, leave the nut that's holding the stud there. This thing goes over it. Then this little bar goes over it. This is, I guess, to prevent this from flapping out, you know, when it's spinning. Then there's a little washer, and then there's a wing nut. And that's it. I put the hardware back on here because I know if I don't, I'm going to lose it one day and I'll never find it. But you can actually put it back in here too, but you don't want all the debris to come out through those holes. So I just took it for a spin. Listen, it has a little, comes out through the sides over here, but that's all right. And then it comes out through the hole over here. That's all right. But actually, maybe it's just me. It seems to be a little quieter. Now that it's not, you don't hear the wind and everything spinning around in there. So it seems to be a little quieter. And looks pretty good. All right. The mulching kit. It's not bad. Listen, if you want to put it back, it's very easy. Just remove it. Just basically just that wing nut. Lift that up out of the way. Take those two bolts off. Put them back in here, and you're back to a regular discharge. Then you got to change the blades, of course. Buy new ones, because I don't know how old these are, but I want to try the mulching because I'm tired of this thing spitting everything out through the sides. All right, that's it, people. Thanks for watching.